Let's paint a big F together. See? A nice bold letter F. G, G, G. H, H. Oh, H. I'm painting the letter I. See? A big bold letter I. J, J, Juggling. J for jump. J. The letter S. See, S is for super fun. D, D. U, U. V. Let's paint a letter V. Down and up. V. V says V. Great job. W, W. Yo. Whoa. Yay! X marks the spot. See the big X? You can draw it too. Y says Y. This is the letter Y. You can do it too.